What's up, guys? So we're here at the second day at Music City Showdown in Nashville. We were able to hunt down Scoop, who's been super busy the entire time. And day two, it's not so busy, so I appreciate it.
We got a lot. We got some time to do some stuff today.
Yeah, so we're gonna ask Scoop some this or that questions. It's questions you guys have asked us that we grabbed, and I think they're perfect for him to answer, as this is the type of shit he does. Stock dually or a 1200 horsepower single rear wheel?
What brand truck? 1200 horsepower.
Ford.
Ford, yeah, 1200 horsepower.
Why?
Because I'm getting into the performance side of things, and I think just based off my FUMMINS, just all the horsepower and stuff like that. That isn't here.
Yeah,
but it's here.
I looked.
It's here.
Listen, I looked for it.
It's here on T-shirts,
like,
but it's not here. So.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, you were pointing me. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
I would go with the performance side. I'm starting to really.
I fangirled.
Yeah, he did. I'm starting to be a fan of the performance side of things. So.
Okay.
Just the sounds and just being able to get somewhere faster.
It's nice.
I love it. I love it.
Yeah. 4-link on coilovers or AIRRIDE suspension?
I've done the AIRRIDE thing. 4-link on coilovers. Air can be finicky. You're relying on an electrical system to get your truck around.
It was finicky with our giveaway build as well.
Yes. I got those phone calls a couple times.
Yes, it was a nightmare. So I would agree with you.
Junior, yeah, so I'm going I'm going coilovers. It's just when they're there, they're there. You don't have to do anything with them really. True. Unless they're leaking, but that's normally not a problem.
That's fair.
So.
Wholeheartedly agree.
4-link on coilovers.
Okay. 1st gen Cummins or 5th gen Cummins?
Neither.
Okay.
Well, first of all, that's a Dodge. Well, typically is a Dodge.
A Dodge or a Ram, whatever.
If we put it in a Ford, then I'm okay with it. So ask the question again, but FUMMINS. Question again, FUMMINS.
A 1st gen FUMMINS or a 5th gen FUMMINS?
1st gen FUMMINS.
All right, yeah. all right.
Honda Ridgeline.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know.
We just bought a Honda Ridgeline. I don't know if you knew.
Are y'all gonna build it?
We are gonna build it, yes.
Then I'm going Honda Ridgeline. Okay. And I want in on it.
Sick. Okay.
If y'all are gonna build it, I want in on it.
We are gonna build it, yeah.
I don't even know if they make parts for that.
They don't. So we are gonna have custom fabrication made for. It's gonna be sick.
Yeah, I want in on it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sick.
I figured y'all were gonna do something like that because you got a lot of Honda Ridgeline questions going on.
Yeah,
on
we just launched the video today. Yeah. So we picked up a 5th gen Cummins and a Honda Ridgeline.
Yeah, my logo's going on there for sure.
Okay. Sounds good. We'll do that. That's lit. That's cool. Ooh, you're gonna like this one. You're gonna like this one. This one was not from the crowd by any stretch. Junior 100% wrote this question.
I can just only imagine what he's come up with.
Joker 2.0 or Vendetta 2.0?
Joker 2.0. The story is better. The storyline is better.
That's fair. It was
the truck wasn't a big attention getter, but obviously, once the sale happened to everybody knows who.
Correct.
The storyline, it's just.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody.
And it's no longer with us.
That should have been a TV episode. I don't think in the history of truck shows or the truck industry, it couldn't get any better than that storyline.
And it was funny because we actually were just talking about the Joker because I saw the rendering and I asked him if he was actually going to build one. And that was prior to knowing what that question was from Junior. But anyways, that is it. That wraps it up. I figured those questions were really good ones for Scoop to answer because they involved a lot of what this man does. If you guys don't know who he is, then I don't know what you know because it was hard to get a hold of this man this whole show.
Well, we had time, and this is my first time doing a video with you. So
it is, yeah. I appreciate you doing a video.
Hopefully we've got more coming. I'm definitely being Appleton.
Appleton, yeah.
Soon.
Yeah, we
cows.
We have a good time up there playing some bags.
Yeah. Junior sent me a whole bunch. He sent me like 5 spotted cows in a.
He took one out of the 6-pack?
No. How many? Oh, he sent it. Okay, there's 6 of them then. Maybe there is 5. Maybe he did take one out.
Damn.
I didn't count them. I knew there was enough for me to like.
That man drank one of your spotted cows.
I was so surprised when I opened that box. I was like, this guy, y'all know me too well.
If you guys have never had a spotted cow, it's incredible.
They're good.
Brewery out of Wisconsin, New Glarus. Amazing.
That was my first time trying them when I went up there. So spotted cows.
Yeah. But anyways, that's it for this episode of This or That. We appreciate you guys. Shut up! Make sure you continue to ask these questions so we can go to these kind of things and ask these questions to cooler people than me. So thanks for tuning in. We'll check you on the next one.
All right, see you.
Appreciate it, bro.